Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your maths class. So, today we are going to continue our chapter. But before starting the chapter, let's recapitulate what we have learned yesterday. Open your page number 157. Page number 157. And yesterday we have learned about days of a week, right? There are 7 days in a week. And let's see the days of the week and the order of days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Sunday is a holiday and it is the last day of the week, right? And first day is Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. And last or seventh day is Sunday. Okay. And yesterday we have learned that how can we guess that which day is tomorrow and which day is yesterday. Yes? Like if today is Saturday, right? Today is Saturday. Then yesterday it was Friday. Because Friday comes before Saturday. And which day will be tomorrow? So tomorrow will be Sunday, right? So this is the difference between today, yesterday and tomorrow, right? Today means आज, yesterday means कल जो बीत चुका, right? And tomorrow means आने वाला कल जो कल आएगा, right? Now today's topic is months of the year. Okay? Months of the year. Okay? Months. These all are months. And these are their order and these are the number of days present in the months. Yes? Now, before starting today's topic, months of the year, let's sing a song.
The year, syllable song. Clap the syllables and sing along. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Months of the year, syllable song. Stomp the syllables and sing along. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Months of the year, syllable song. You did it!
So children, did you like the song? Yes. I hope you have learnt also the names of months. Yes. Now let's read it again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. So these are months of the year. Yes. Let's see the order of the months also. Okay. January is the first month. Second month is February. Third month is March. Fourth month is April. 5th month is May, 6th month is June, 7th month is July. August is our 8th month, 9th month is September. October is our 10th month. November is our 11th month, and December is our 12th month. Yes, now with the help of our knuckles and grooves, we'll come to know that how many days are there in each and every month. So let's see. So children, there are 2 fists, है ना. इस मुट्ठी को ऐसे, जब हम ये मुट्ठी ऐसे बनाते हैं तो इस मुट्ठी को क्या कहते हैं? दिस इज़ नोन एज फिस्ट. ओके, व्हाट इज़ इट कॉल्ड? फिस्ट, राइट. ओके, सो दीज आर फिस्ट, 2 फिस्ट. नाउ हेयर, यहाँ पे ये जो बोनी वाला एरिया होता है, दीज बोनी थिंग्स आर नोन एज नकल्स. ओके, और ये जो बीच में ये जो जगह होती है, दिस गैप इज़ नोन एज grooves. Okay, this gap is known as grooves. तो best method to learn days in the months is on knuckles and grooves. Okay, so see how we have to do like this: January, then on groove February, March, April, May, June, July, right? So knuckles पे जो भी days आते हैं, the months which come on knuckles are of 31 days. वो होते हैं 31 days वाले months, right? और जो grooves में months आते हैं, those months are of 30 days except February. फेबररी को छोड़कर बाकी सारे जितने भी नेम हमारे नकल्स पर आते हैं, उन द मंथ्स विच एवर मंथ नेम इज़ कम, इट हैज़ 31 डेज इन इट. ओके, नकल्स पे जैसे जनवरी आया तो जनवरी में 31 डेज होते हैं. फेबररी ग्रूव में आया तो उसमें 28 या 29 डेज होते हैं, राइट. और मार्च अगेन ऑन नकल, तो इसमें भी 31 डेज होते हैं, है ना. ग्रूव में आपका क्या आया? अप्रैल, तो उसमें भी 30 डेज होते हैं. मे 31 बिकॉज इट कम्स ऑन नकल, राइट. ग्रूव पर फिर आया आपका जून, तो इसमें इट हैज़ 30 डेज. एंड जुलाई कम्स ऑन नकल, सो इट हैज़ ऑल्सो हाउ मैनी डेज? 31 डेज. ओके, देन अगेन ऑगस्ट कम ऑन नकल, तो इट हैज़ 31 डेज. देन ऑन ग्रूव September has 30 days, October 31, November 30, and then December again 31. Clear children? So we can write like this also, okay, 31, 31, 31, 31, right? Okay, I hope you have understood. See, in your book also it is given. See children, January, right, then February, March, April, May, June, July, right, then August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so it is the easy way of learning months of the year along with the days. Okay, that how many days are there in each month. If you want to check, you can check. See, January it has 31 days, yes. February has 28 or 29, right? Whenever there is leap year in that year, 1 day will increase and that day will add in the month of February only. Okay, so these are the months order and number of days, right? So now I hope you have understood this topic very well. Yes, and February has 29 days after, and that year is known as leap year. उस ईयर को क्या कहते हैं? लीप ईयर कहते हैं, ठीक है. और सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट मंथ कौन सा होता है? फेब्रुअरी, राइट. फेब्रुअरी इज कंसिडर्ड एज द शॉर्टेस्ट मंथ, सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट मंथ कौन सा है? February, right? Okay, and a year has how many days? Yes, it has 365 days. So children, you can see that 1 year is equals to how many months? 12 months, right? And in 1 month, how many days are there? So it is 30 days maybe, or 31. It depends on the month's name. Yes, 1 week is equals to 7 days. It always remains same. 1 leap year is having 366 days, right? 1 leap year में कितने days होते हैं? 366 days, right? And 1 year normally year में कितने days होते हैं? 365 days. Okay, now all of you take out your notebook and let's do work in the notebook. So here is our maths notebook. First of all, we will write today's date, 31/8/2020. Then the heading, days of the week. Okay, then we'll write day's name. Okay, I have already told you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In a neat way you have to do the work. Then in front of it you have to write down the ordinal numbers. Yes, now like Monday will be the first day, Tuesday second day, Wednesday will be the third day, Thursday fourth day, Friday is the fifth day, Saturday is sixth day, and last or seventh day is Sunday. Okay, now on new page, on next page, we will do exercise 1. Okay, 31/8/2020. Again you have to put the date and then you have to start doing the work. Okay, so first fill in the blanks you have to write. Then you have to write dash is the first day of the week. So which day is the first day of the week? Monday. Okay, you'll write Monday. Then second, dash is the fifth day of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Friday is the fifth day of the week. Now next, Wednesday is 2 days before Friday, right? 2 days before कौन सा day आता है? Wednesday. There are 7 days in a week, right? In a week, how many days are there? 7 days. Tuesday comes after Wednesday. Yes? If today is Sunday, right? अगर आज Sunday है, then yesterday it was, कल क्या था? Saturday, right? So we will write Saturday. Then turn on the next page. Turn to the next page. Now see, again we have to put the date and we will write months of the year. Then we have to write the heading, month's name and order. And then we will write the month's name in notebook. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then we have to write down the sequence. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, then we have to, okay, after writing the order, there is a place left. Okay, so we will write 1 year is equals to how many months? 12 months, right? And 1 month is having how many days? Either 30 or 31. 1 week is equals to how many days? 7 days. And 1 year is equals to how many days? 365. But in leap year, 366 days are there. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood the work also, and January, February, March also very well, the months of the year very well. Yes, so do your work in your notebook neatly. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe.